In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify why your Google ads are not showing. This can be a common issue that many advertisers face, and it can be quite frustrating, especially when you're eager to see results from your online campaigns. But don't worry, we'll go through the steps together to help you diagnose the problem and get your ads back in front of your audience. First, we want to make sure that we're logged into the right account. Go to the official Google Ads website. If you're not currently signed in, you will see the option to do so right at the top of the page. Simply click on sign in and enter your credentials. This will take you directly to your Google Ads homepage, which is the hub for all your advertising activities. Once you're in, it's important to check the status of your campaigns as well as your ads. This is crucial because if there's an issue with their status, your ads might not be displaying as expected. To do this, navigate to the main dashboard and verify that your campaign status and ad status are marked as eligible or active. If there's any indication that they are paused, disapproved, or limited, you'll need to resolve these issues to ensure your ads can run smoothly. Next, take a look at your campaigns by clicking on the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This section gives you a comprehensive view of all your existing campaigns, allowing you to monitor their performance and status. It's useful to ensure that all the active campaigns that you want to be running are listed here, and there are no accidental pauses or limits placed on them. After checking your campaigns, it's time to dive deeper by clicking on the Ads section. Here, Google Ads will show you each individual ad that you have created within your account. It's crucial to go through these to ensure each ad is approved and ready to serve. If any ads are marked as disapproved or under review, you'll need to address the specific issues highlighted by Google to get them back on track. By following these steps, you can systematically identify the reasons why your Google ads may not be showing and address them accordingly. Sometimes it might be as simple as editing ad text to meet Google's standards, or updating your billing information to ensure your campaigns remain active. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you troubleshoot any issues with your Google ads. If you have additional questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Google Ads support resources or consult with a professional for more detailed analysis. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success with your advertising efforts.